Mr. Ponitowskie, Charlotte, North Carolina. That's right. There's Mr. Ponitowskie himself.
I got rid of mine. Did you?
We're getting ready to do his roof out here, right behind Briarwood Estates. So if you know where Briarwood Estates is, he did the chimney on that yellow house over there. What a mess. Anyways, this is the back side. Replacing the fan, replacing all the boots. Rock and roll. Wait till you see the difference in the look of this roof. Them shingles that are up there right now that you're looking at, they're actually green, believe it or not. Right there at the bottom of that thing, you can almost tell they're green, but not quite. Well, Mr. Ponitowskie, this is day one. How are we doing on your job?
Very good. I am very satisfied.
Right. Out with the old.